Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your region in Roblox in 2026. Let's get started. If your Roblox account is showing the wrong country or location, you can fix this by first going to the Roblox website. Once you're there, click on the settings icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down the page until you see Account Location. In some cases, you'll be able to click the drop-down menu and change your location manually. However, if the option to change your location isn't available, you'll need to contact Roblox support instead. Scroll to the bottom of the page, click on Help, then choose Roblox Account. In the search box, type location, and from the suggestions, select account location. Scroll down again and click the link that takes you to the support form. Now fill out the form carefully, enter your username, first name, and email address, and make sure these details match your Roblox account. Next, choose the device you're having the issue on, for example, PC. Then select the type of help category and choose How To. In the next option, select how to change my location. In the description box, type something like, "Hi, my account location is showing incorrectly. It currently shows India, but my actual location is the United Kingdom." Obviously, you can replace this with your actual location, and then type in, "I can provide documentation to prove this, if needed. Why is this showing as the wrong location?" And then you can go and press Continue. Now, you may need to solve this verification puzzle, and then we can go and press Submit. Now, you'll just need to wait a couple of working days while Roblox reaches back out to you, and they should be able to change that location for you manually. You may sometimes need to provide proof of your address. This can be something like a driving license or a letter you've received to your address. It's really as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.